All right, here's your homework assignment, page 63, 12, 26, 33, 36, 54, 57, 58, and 64. I'm briefly going to go over these. It was your homework assignment that overviewed chapter 1, number 12. We go back a page here. It says, so it actually should be page 62. Number 12 says 2/3 of a number d to the third power. 2/3 of a number d to the third power. They just wanted you to take it from words to algebra. I am going to reiterate this again. Your paper should be folded into 4 quadrants, front and back. I'm having a hard time grading some of your homework. There should be a name on top of the paper. There should be the assignment. I'm getting first names only, no last names. I'm not getting assignments written. I'm just seeing numbers carelessly written. Please do better. Some of you are doing great. Continue the great work. I appreciate it. Moving on, 26, which is on the same page, page 63. Oh, it is page 63. Okay, 26 is a squared plus 2bc. This quantity is being divided by 7. They ask you to evaluate given that a is 4, b is 3, c is 9. Notice I sometimes use parentheses and sometimes I don't. When they're beside each other, parentheses really help. You don't have to use them. So here we go. 16 plus 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 9 is 54. And that quantity is being divided by 7. 50 and 10 is 60, plus 6 and 4 is 10, so that's 70 divided by 7. Your answer should be 10. Number 33. I have 7 2/5 plus 5 plus 2 3/5. I'm going to put the fifths together and get 7 and 2, which is 9. And then 2 and 3 is 5. So if I have 9 and 5/5 plus 5, well, 5/5 is a 1, so I'm going to make it 10 plus 5, which is 15. Or you could have used your calculator and gotten the same answer. Number 36, it says Monica needs to purchase a binder, a textbook, a calculator, and a workbook for her algebra class. The binder costs $9.25. I don't know why that's an expensive binder. It says the textbook is $32. That's a really cheap textbook. Our textbooks are very expensive, so we don't lose them. Okay. The calculator is $18.75. Maybe your scientific one, but not our graphing calculators. And the workbook is $15. So it's find the total cost. So that's why I added. Total means sum, add it all up. So we're going to say 9.25 plus 32.50 plus 18.75 plus 15. Easy peasy. $75.50 for her class. That is very cheap. Okay. All right, flip. 54, 57. 54 has 42 divided by y equals 7. The directions state, find the solution set if x is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, or 9, and if y was 6, 8, 10, 12, or 14, which one would work? All right, let's try it. If I take 42 and I divide it by 6, do I get 7? Yes. So we're done. All I need to know is the answer is 6. Y equals 6. If I wouldn't have worked, I would have had to move on to the next number until I found one. 57. It says z equals 63 divided by the quantity 3 squared minus 2. They want you to simplify so that you can solve for z. 63 divided by 9 minus 2. 63 divided by 7, which is 9. 58. Chandra's age. We don't know what her age is. We'll call it X. That's Chandra. Chandra's age is 4 more than 3 times Sharita's age. We don't know Sharita's age. We'll call Sharita Y. 4 more compared to 3 times Sharita's age. Well, Sharita is how old? Oh, okay, they did give us Sharita's age. I was going to say we couldn't solve this because it's two different variables. Sharita is 3. Okay, so oops, I did this backwards. I'm sorry. It is, Chandra is 4 more than 3 times Sharita's age. So Chandra is 4 more than 3 times Sharita's age. Sharita is 3 years old. So what is Chandra? 13. Sorry if that was confusing. 64. On average, 7 plants grow for every 10 seeds. Make a table to show the relationship between the seeds planted for 50 seeds, 100, 150, and 200. Okay. So if I have 7 plants, it's 10. So 10 divided by 7 is this number. So I'm going to take 50 and multiply by it. Sorry, this. So how do I get, so 7 divided by 10 is 0.7. And then I'd multiply that by 50 to get 35. So now I'm going to take 0.7 to all of these. And what would I get? Okay, you could do it that way. You could do it a few different ways. I was going to start doing it as a proportion, but then I'm like, some of you haven't learned this yet, so I kind of stopped. So this is the problems that you're going to have on your test. You're not going to have this. You're not going to have this. You'd have something like this, something like this, something like this, and this, and this, and this. Okay, but it's good to have a little more challenging problems. Make sure you check your answers and put your name on it and put it in the bin.